The family of slain Citizen Coalition for Change CCC activist Mboneni Ncube is allegedly being denied government food aid on allegations that they're involved in opposition politics. It has emerged. Ashperi mushe mure Zimbabwe sambina mashoko abudai nyongwa mu Southern Eye vachiti aiwa munyika yeZimbabwe vamwe vari kunyimwa government food aid noda kokuti ari ku opposition. Loti bva subscribe like otina on the bell icon. Tipinonyora vachiti Ncube was speared to death by suspected ZANU-PF activists on February 27, 2022 during a rally in Mbizo Kwekwe. He died on admission at Kwekwe General Hospital. ZANU-PF youths armed with machetes, stones and iron bars stormed the opposition party's rally and violently disrupted it, while former CCC President Nelson Chamisa was addressing the crowd. While the family is still in mourning and searching for answers, it emerged that they are also being denied government food aid over opposition links. The family recently held a tombstone unveiling ceremony for the deceased. Police, however, barred several CCC members from attending the event. Some CCC members were arrested on their way to the ceremony held in Lower Gweru Midlands. Ashperi mushe murezi vabu mazvinzwira nawo yabuda panapa kuti aiwa munhu vanoarrestwa vari parally aiwa iri very constitutional and then vachiri kuchema nokumuona the deceased vanonyimwa food aid, vamwe vachienda patombstone vachienda for memories vanoarrestiwa. Vanhu opposition vorambidzwa kuendako. Tudze mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro penhau iyi. Pinda mucomment section medu, musaona kusubscribe, kulike, chinotina on the bell icon.